Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Vevor stand mixers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a serious baker or just looking for a reliable kitchen companion, these mixers have something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the 6-in-1 stand mixer from Lil Partner. This multifunctional mixer is more than just a stand mixer. It's a true kitchen powerhouse. With its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl and 6+ P speeds, it can handle everything from delicate whisking to heavy dough kneading. But what sets it apart is its versatility. This isn't just a mixer. It's also a meat grinder and blender, making it perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution for their kitchen. The design is modern, featuring an LCD display that allows you to set a timer for up to 30 minutes, ideal for multitasking. Its tilt-head design makes swapping out attachments a breeze, and the built-in overheat protection ensures safety during extended use. However, weighing 22.8 pounds, it's a bit on the heavier side, which may make it less portable than some of the other options on this list. While the Lil Partner mixer is packed with features, it's worth noting that its price is currently unavailable, making it harder to evaluate its value. However, it's a fantastic choice for those who want a multifunctional appliance that goes beyond basic mixing. Pros include its versatility, timer function, and excellent safety features. On the downside, the weight and bulk may not suit smaller kitchens. Coming in at number 4 is the Cuckoo 9.5 QT double-handle stand mixer. If capacity is what you're after, this mixer is a standout choice. With a massive 9.5-quart stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for large families or anyone who loves to bake in bulk. The dual-handle design is a thoughtful touch, making it easier to lift and maneuver the bowl, even when it's full. This mixer features a 660-watt pure copper motor, delivering consistent power across its 6-speed settings, plus a pulse function for more precise control. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough incorporation of ingredients, whether you're making cookie dough or whipping cream. With its tilt-head design and anti-slip suction cups, the Cuckoo mixer is as stable as it is powerful. However, at 12.32 pounds, it's lighter than it looks, which makes it easier to handle than you'd expect for its size. The Cuckoo mixer offers excellent value for its capacity and performance, though its price is currently unavailable for comparison. Pros include its large capacity, powerful motor, and user-friendly features like dual handles and tilt-head access. On the downside, its large size may not be ideal for smaller kitchens, and it lacks some of the high-tech features found in other mixers on this list. At number 3, we have the Gourmet 7QT stand mixer. This mixer strikes a balance between affordability, performance, and durability, making it a strong mid-tier option. With an 800-watt motor and 10-speed settings, it's a heavy-duty machine that can handle everything from kneading dense dough to whipping airy meringue. The 7-quart bowl is spacious enough for big batches, making it a great choice for families or frequent bakers. The Gourmet mixer features a die-cast metal construction that feels solid and reliable. Its LED display with a built-in timer is a standout feature, allowing you to set it and forget it while you prep other ingredients. The tilt-back head and included attachments, dough hook, whisk, and beater, make it versatile enough for a range of recipes. Plus, the non-slip suction cups ensure stability during operation. At $136.85, the Gourmet mixer offers excellent value for its price. It's perfect for home bakers who want professional-level features without breaking the bank. Pros include its powerful motor, durable build, and user-friendly design. However, it's slightly heavier at 17.8 pounds, and the lack of advanced features like an LCD screen or fermentation bowl might deter tech-savvy buyers. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Vevor 8.3 QT dough mixer. As the budget-friendly option on this list, it offers impressive features for its price point of $110.99. The 660-watt motor and 6+ P speed settings make it capable of handling a variety of tasks, from kneading pizza dough to whipping cream. The 8.3-quart stainless steel bowl is a highlight, providing ample space for large recipes without taking up too much counter space. The Vevor mixer's design is practical, with a tilt head mechanism for easy access to the bowl and attachments. The included dough hook, flat beater, whisk, and scraper ensure versatility for different recipes. Its lightweight construction, at 13.8 pounds, makes it easier to move around, but it doesn't skimp on stability thanks to its sturdy base. This mixer is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who still want a reliable, versatile appliance. Pros include its affordability, large capacity, and ease of use. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like a timer or LCD screen, and the build quality, while decent, may not be as robust as pricier models. Still, it's a fantastic entry-level choice for home bakers. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Vevor 450-watt electric dough mixer. Priced at $203.83. This premium mixer is packed with high-tech features that justify its higher cost. Its 450-watt copper motor may seem less powerful on paper, but its gear-driven design ensures consistent, high-torque mixing. The 7.4-quart stainless steel bowl is equipped with a built-in heating element for fermenting dough, a game-changer for serious bakers. The standout feature here is the LCD screen, which displays remaining time and speed settings. The auto-stop function adds convenience and safety, while the tilt-head design makes it easy to change attachments. The mixer includes a dough hook, flat beater, whisk, scraper, and splash-proof cover, all of which are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. At 15.7 pounds, it feels sturdy and well-built, with a sleek metal finish that fits into modern kitchens. This mixer is perfect for advanced bakers or anyone who values premium features like timing, fermentation, and precision control. Pros include its smart design, reliable performance, and thoughtful extras. On the downside, its price may be a barrier for casual bakers. However, for its features and build quality, it's the ultimate choice for those who want the best of the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite mixer, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.